Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video we have the Xiaomi Redmi 13 which is pattern locked. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove pattern or password from your Xiaomi Redmi 13 in case you have forgot it. For that, first you have to power off your phone. Then after that you guys have to press and hold both the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Power and volume up keys. Now as soon as the MI logo comes up, you guys have to release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the recovery menu comes up. Here you can see. Now here use the volume keys to navigate through the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data and then select wipe all data, and again confirm it with the power key. When you guys confirm it, it will take some time to format all the data on your device, so you guys have to wait for it. Wait for the process to be completed. As you guys can see here that the data wiped has been completed. Now after that, select back to main menu with the power key, then select reboot and again select reboot to system, and your phone will reboot. After the reboot, it will take some time to boot up, so you guys have to wait for it. Now after that, tap on the arrow, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup you guys will be able to use your phone normally again, while the pattern or password that was set up previously on your device now has been removed. Thanks for watching.